Hi, I'm John Wright, and this is George Barrameda, and our project was to modify this helicopter here. Basically what we've done is we've taken away this controller that came with it and made our own, basically, our own interface that's kind of like a Kinect interface or a Wii remote. So basically what we've done is we've taken out the bottom LED from the helicopter and replaced it with an infrared LED that basically sends out a signal that's received by the paddle.
So the paddle here is the force sensor.
Right. So these are the four IR sensors right here. It's positioned in a grid-like fashion. So what these two sensors do is it actually hones in the heading of the helicopter, or the horizontal direction, and these two actually like try and hover the vertical or the throttle of the helicopter. And these four sensors are connected all the way to this board, and this board basically measures in they measure in the analog signals from the paddle and send it out to the target board. And the target board,
the microcontroller board over here.
This board right here. And then what the target board does is it actually creates new voltages for the helicopter to fly in using PID algorithm, and it actually sends out a PWM signal to be low pass back to an analog signal. And one of the major problems that we had was trying to control the board using voltages, control the remote control just using voltages, where we learned that we actually had to kind of manifest our own kind of potentiometer, which is what these chips are for.
So those are
H11F1s.
H11F1 opto-isolators, which act like a variable resistor at the output.
Correct.
Exactly.
Okay.
Correct.
So we basically made our own digital potentiometer. Yeah. So this was actually the same thing. This came from this remote.
You have two
inside of it.
Okay.
So
that's the backup remote.
yeah, backup remote.
just in case.
Just in case. Okay.